Hello, good evening, everyone. Let me introduce ourselves. We are from group number two with the following members. My name is Sofyan Marianan and my friends Fauzan Ali Mahmud, Fakia Reza Ramadan, Dino Fajar Sandania Gista, Syarif Hidayatullah Putra. Well, today we will discuss about expert system for diagnosis chicken disease using by Theorem. So let's start. Please, Mr. Dino.
Abstract. Chicken disease is a condition in which the body organ of chicken cannot function normally. Diagnosing a disease requires symptoms that appear on the chicken's body. To conduct disease diagnosis, further examination is needed by specialist experts. An expert system is a system that uses human knowledge that is entered into a computer to solve problems that are usually resolved by experts. The system created in solving problems uses the Bayes theorem method, in which the inference process uses forward chaining. Next, research and methodology. Expert system. Expert systems are computer-based systems that use knowledge, fact, and reasoning technique in solving problems that are usually only solved by an expert in the field. In general, expert systems are systems that attempt to adapt human knowledge to computer design to model problem-solving skills like an expert. The expert system used to determine the diagnosis of the disease will help confirm the diagnosis and determine its advice and treatment. Bayes' theorem is a theorem with two different interpretations. In Bayes' interpretation, this theorem states how far the subjective degree of confidence must change rationally when there are new instructions. In the frequency interpretation, this theorem explain the inverse representation of the probability of two events. Bayes' probability is one way to overcome data uncertainty. And next,
Okay, please, Mr. Reza.
And yes, so this is the Bayes theorem method, which is the equation. It's P H per E equals to P E to H times PH divided by PE, where PH to E is probability of hypothesis H if given evidence E. P E to H is the probability of the emergence of evidence E if the hypothesis H is known. PH is probability of hypothesis H regardless of any evidence, and PE is probability of evidence E. Next. And this is the chicken disease and symptoms. There are many kinds of chicken disease such as Newcastle disease, infection DD, avian influenza, infectious bronchitis, and etc. Also, there are symptoms for them, which is decreased appetite, limp and inactive, and etc. So the symptoms is different for each disease. Next.
Okay, this is the sample case. We know that avian pox pH is F04. So the probability is 0.4. It's known that a chicken has the following symptoms like G16 is egg position distress. The probability is 0.4. And G17 means that chicken weight decreases. The probability is 0.2. And the last is G18, means that big and feathers look spaces with blood. And the probability is 0.8. So the probability of avian pox is pH, which is F04 is 0.4. Now we will calculate the apa namanya, uh, the many kinds of the symptoms with the avian pox. So the first one is we calculate the probability of symptoms appetite decrease, which is PHE. The symbol is G16 and F06, means that the possibility of getting symptoms of egg production decrease, then he will get the eggs production decrease. So we will calculate the probability of F06 and G16, means that we calculate the probability of the possibility of getting symptoms G16, means the eggs production decrease. Then he will get the avian pox. So the quality like P G16 and F06 multiplied by PF06 divided by PG16 F01 multiplied by PF01 plus PG16 until PG16 F11 multiplied by PF11. Why we multiply until P111? Because the chicken disease is 11. So we calculate all the chicken disease for we get the probability of avian pox. So we get 0.4 multiply 0.4 divided by 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0.4 multiplied by 0.4 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, and we get the result is 1. Next, we count the second symptoms, which is the probability symptoms of lethargy and inactivity, PHA, which is G17 and F06. The probability is 0.2, means that means from G16 and F06 means that the possibility of getting symptoms of F006, which is the avian pox, and G17 is the chicken weight decreases. So we calculate this and we get we calculate same as the previous, and we get the result is 1. And next we count the third symptoms is probability of dilute diarrhea and or simply diarrhea and vaginal discharge. And we get the probability is 0.8. Now we calculate this same like before, and we get the result is 1. So the probability of the uh, the probability of the symptoms is 1. We get from the G16 and G17 is 1, and the last one G18 is 1 2. Okay, next. Please, Mr.
So,
Wilson.
as we can see for the result, there is a total bias for avian pox is 3, and the probability calculation of the disease is 3 from total bias divided by 3 from the symptoms and times 100 for the percentage. So the result is 100%. That means in result from image above, it's very confident that the person that's very sure of avian pox. Next. Now for the system implementation, the application was developed using unified modeling language, the Visual Basic 2010 programming language, and MySQL database, which means the data inserted into database. And same for the bias method is implemented into a chicken disease determination system with Visual Basic 2010 and unified modeling language. And as you can see in the first image from the left, so that a person choose the data or symptoms that experienced by chicken. And in the middle one, for the second image, a person filled in the personal data of the person concerned and immediately show the result of the calculation of the probability and disease. And the final image and the third show the printout of the application. That's it. Next.
Okay, please, Mr. Sharif.
The conclusion is chicken is an animal that can be furnished for its benefit. Therefore, chickens also need treatment such as giving vaccines, healthy food, and adequate nutrition. Can be seen healthy or not a chicken from the behavior of the chicken. If there is a change in behavior that is not normal, then the chicken is attacked by the disease. One of the things that makes livestock exposed to disease is negligence to give vaccines regularly. If livestock are attacked by disease, it is not easy to go to the nitrous fat. Therefore, researchers want to make an expert system that can help in solving problems to diagnose diseases in chickens. Efforts to overcome this problem, namely by using an expert system with Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is used to calculate the probability of occurrence of an event based on the influence obtained from the observation. Bayes theorem can also be used as a decision-making tool to update the level of trust of information. With the help of the system, helps to be able to identify chicken disease, stop the same symptoms, include and provide solution like an expert. In addition, The information product can be used as an alternative expert in consultation about chicken disease. Yes.
Okay, that's all for presentation. Hope you understand that, and I'm sorry if we say something wrong. And thank you.